Hi, my name is Ken Williams. I'm supervisor of Sync 3 HMI product development. And what we try to focus on with the Sync 3 system is making sure that we listen to the customer. We went through a big iterative process to make sure that the system is the way we want it designed for the customer to drive and keep their eyes on the road and make sure they can use voice applications and the touchscreen seamlessly. So if we go over to the screen here, you'll see that on the left side, that's our navigation map. The top right, you'll see is our audio information, and right below that you'll see the phone information. If you touch any of these three zones, it'll bring you to that domain. The low status bar you'll see there is has audio, climate, phone, navigation, apps, and settings, and all of these domains are available on the top level no matter what screen you're on. So if we go to navigation, you'll see we try to make it clean and simple. You can use pinch to zoom, similar to what your smartphone applications do. You can also swipe. We've brought that swipe over to some of the other screens. We have the settings screen, which you can swipe to get to more settings. And within phone, in your contact information, you can see that we can swipe up and down here. We can also drag to bring it down to the next letter. And we can do what we call an A to Z jump, which will allow you to get to the contact that you were trying to get to. Going back to navigation, you'll see that we have the destination entry there. When you hit search, we have a search that's similar to your Google Maps or Apple Maps applications, where you can type in an address, city, point of interest, or intersection, and you'll be able to find what you're looking for. So we'll type in coffee here. You'll see that it starts giving me options. If I select coffee, it'll give me a list of coffee within the area. So if we back out of here, you'll see that we have a home and work setup. If you set up these locations, you'll get a quick time to destination from right where it says setup. It'll change that to your ETA for where you're going. One of the big features of this system is the integration of AppLink and how we made it much more visually appealing and easy to use within the context of the Sync 3 system. So as you can see, we have quite a few apps running. If I select iHeartRadio, which is an audio application, you'll see that we have the ability to thumbs up, thumbs down. We can tune up, tune down, skip, and then we have presets. We also have, if it's an audio application, it will also show up in that change source menu. So you'll see that we have Radio Disney in there, we have Pandora and Spotify. So if we select Pandora, you'll see they have different options. So we provided the app developers a way to change between all of the buttons that they have at the bottom there, and also the album art. So they have some flexibility to what they show on our system. Finally, we have what we call over-the-air updates with the system. So if you connect to a Wi-Fi access point, you'll be able to download software from Ford, and we can automatically push this software to the vehicle once you've gone in there and connected to an app access point, and we'll be able to do this in the background. So if you pull in your car, you turn off your car, for the next 30 minutes, we're able to download software from our servers, and we do it seamlessly, so you won't see what's going on, but it's making sure that you get that software with no interruptions. And that was a quick overview of Sync 3.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.